27.5, 28.5, 29 miles per hour. Hey guys, Josie here, and I'm back with another e-bike video. Now this time I have the Portola from Ride One Up. Now, this is a folding e-bike with amazing specs like front fork suspension, 750 watt motor, hydraulic brakes, and very comfortable to ride. So let me give you a walk around of the bike and also show you how it rides. There's going to be timestamps in the video if you want to jump to specific topics. Welcome to the channel, I'm Jolster, and let's do this! Alright guys, so let me give you a quick tour of the Portola from Ride One Up. First of all, this is a folding bike. That is the main feature. I will show you how to fold it in just a little bit. But first of all, let me give you a little bit of taste of how this bike looks. First, this paint job, it's amazing. It looks so nice. This is like a dark gray color. I love it. It looks beautiful. Really nice paint job. This tells me about the quality already. That is the first glance I get. Second of all, this bike has front fork suspension. This is very helpful because when you're riding, especially right here in San Diego, there's a lot of bumps, there's a lot of off-road going to, and this front fork suspension does make a big difference. I wish there was rear suspension, but it is very comfortable. Also, the seat makes it really comfortable. This is the stock seat, but I did notice that Ride One Up, they do have a suspension seat available as an upgrade if you want to take that. But this seat makes really comfortable ride. I like that. Second of all, what I like is the 750 watt motor. This produces 60 Nm of torque. This is super helpful, especially if you're going uphill, if you're going to ride, you want to ride something fast. This makes it super comfortable. Even though right here it says class 2, this bike can go up to class 3. Class 2 can go up to 20 miles per hour. Class 3 can go up to 28 miles per hour. And I'm able to unlock it, and I will show you how to unlock the bike. But yes, depending on your weight, depending on how you're riding, you can go up to 28 miles per hour. But anything over 20 miles per hour in this kind of bike is a lot of fun. Another thing I like is they have this basket. Now this is not included, this is something optional, but this basket, it's super helpful, and I think it looks really nice too. It has this little net right here, but look at that. This is a quick release basket. If you press this button right here, quick release lever right here, press it and you can take it off right away. Look at that. So if you want to just connect it back in, plug it, push it, and you're set to go. You can go get your groceries done. There's also like a little wallet here for your coins if you want to do that. The net, this is really nice. And also, if you don't want the basket, you can add an additional seat right here in the back, so you can have ride with someone else. And then you can, they also sell some of the foot pads right here. They go on this little lever, and they actually show me how they look, and I think it's a great option if you want to ride with another person. They have plenty other accessories too. They also had a satchel which you can use if you want to go grocery shopping, if you want to use this for utility. They have different options right here, but they gave me this basket. It's a little bit loose, but it is very helpful, and I think it looks great. Another thing I like about the bike design is the battery. So right here, the battery is sitting part of the frame. You see, it's not sticking out, it's not inside the frame, it's part of the frame, and it is removable. So you unlock it with the keys right here, you unlock it, you turn this, and then just pull it out, and look at that. You can take the battery with you, you can see how much power it has, and you can charge it outside of the bike. If you want to just put it back again, turn the key, and the battery is locked. Or you can charge it right here while sitting in the bike. Really nice option. Over here we have an 8-speed Shimano gear system powered by a trigger. system. This is where you can activate it. It's super easy. I like how this mechanism works, the trigger. And we also have a Shimano Altus derailleur. It's very responsive. I like how there's barely makes any noise, and it works fantastic. I haven't had any issues with that. This bike also has hydraulic brake system, has a dual piston hydraulic brake system with 180mm disc brakes. They work fantastic. I'm gonna do some brake tests, but so far they have worked fantastic. The tires are 20" by 3 inches, so it's not very wide, but they still provide very good grip, and they're also very comfortable tires. Over here we also have some headlights and tail light. The headlight has some carbon fiber touch right here on top, which looks really nice. Let me see if I can turn it on. First of all, we'll power up the bike, right? Then we press the plus, press and hold the plus, and that's it. You can see the LED light working, and the tail light also works as a brake light. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I like those little details. So you're getting all these features, and this bike sells for $995. That is the option that has a 10 watt-hour battery. There's another option that is $1,100. It has a bigger battery, like a 13.4 watt-hour battery, which I highly recommend. It's only $100 difference, but you will get more range for the battery. So first, you're gonna fold the bike. We're gonna adjust the pedals. The pedals can also fold like this. Like this. Then there has a little lock right here. Pull it out. Then you start pulling the bike. Oh, before I do that, actually, I do have to remove the little case right here. So I'm gonna fold the bike. We're gonna fold it like this, and this is something really clever. They include this like little strap, which you can use to hold the bike just like this. And look at that. Now you will be able to carry the bike without it opening. This is such a clever little detail. Makes a big difference, you know. Then if you want to fold little handlebar, just remove that, lock, and then press this button. It folds down just like that. You look at that. It is stable. It's not moving. Another thing I like about this bike is how lightweight it is. It's only, I think it's about 59 pounds. So it is super easy for you to carry it with one hand. Look at that. Super lightweight. We lock it. That's it. It's secure. Now I'm gonna open it, lock it, and you're ready to go, my friend. Now let me show you how this unlocking mechanism works. So it's super simple. All you have to do once the bike is on, you have to press minus and power button, press it and hold it for a few seconds. You see, it's class 1 right now. It used to be on class 3, it's class 1. And if you want to leave it like that, you can just let go and it automatically save. If you want to change to class 2, same process. Class 2, there you go. Class 2, you can go up to 20 miles per hour. That is with throttle or pedaling. Now you want to change it to class 3, press and hold it, class 3. All right guys, so we're going to test top speed, but we're going to start with like gear, or I'm sorry, power assistant level 0. That means that we're going to start with like, if this bike, using this bike as a regular bike. Let's go. First of all, I have to lower the gear. Yes, so you can use this bike as a regular bike. First of all, it's very lightweight, so it makes it a lot easier. Then you can just keep on changing the gears, and look at that. You can just go I'm going 9 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour. Makes it like a good workout if you want to just enjoy working out with your bike. This is nice, but I want to use a little bit of assistance, right? Let's do level 1. I don't see any difference. I don't feel any difference because I'm already going 10 miles per hour. So let's do level 2. I feel a little bit of a difference, not a lot. Let's do level 3. Still nothing. Well, I do feel it, so let me change the gear. Another gear. There you go. Now I'm going 14 miles per hour. Let's do level 4. Into higher gear. 17, 18 miles per hour. Higher gear. 19 miles per hour in level 4. Almost 20. Let's do level 5. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You can feel the difference now. Gear number 8, I'm going 24, 25, 26, 27 miles per hour. Oh my God. Look at that. So that is the class 3 right here. Oh my God. It does make a difference. I still have to pedal. Like, it's not gonna go 28 miles per hour without me hustling. Actually, as a matter of fact, let me see. If I go like regular pedaling like this, I can go like 24, 25 miles per hour with no effort. 26 miles per hour, no effort. If I want to really hit 28 miles per hour, I do have to pedal hard. Now let's try it with the throttle only. All right, throttle only. Let's see how fast I can go. Throttle only. 10, 12, 13, 15, 16. This is throttle only. 21, 20 miles per hour. Yeah, so that's the limitation, 20 miles per hour if you want to use throttle only on class 3. And pedaling, you can go up to 28. I was able to go up to 27, which is still pretty fast, you know, considering that I weigh 240 pounds. So yeah. And I'm going to test the brakes. This is going to be like the ultimate brake test. 28 miles per hour. 29 miles per hour. Oh yeah. Man, this bike feels solid. Look at those brakes, no noise, very quiet, very comfortable, very powerful. Oh yeah, I like that. Let me lower the gear, because going at 8 gear on the street, it feels a difference. Going to do the hill climbing test, and that is the hill that I'm going to climb. Look at that. It's so inclined. This is a very hardcore hill test. Let's see how this bike performs. See if I can do this. I'm gonna get some momentum because this is very tough. I'm gonna use the pedals. Level 4, level 5. There you go. I mean, I'm not going that fast. I'm going, what, like 9 miles per hour? But it's going. This is a very tough test, especially that I weigh 240 pounds and this bike is able to take me uphill with no Like no struggling. That is awesome. So yes, that is the importance of having a powerful motor that you can able to go up to hills like this. And look at that, still going. I'm going to use a throttle just to enjoy the ride. You want to use a throttle up to 20 miles per hour. I don't know about you guys, but I like to combine pedaling too. I feel like I'm working out, I'm doing something, and at the same time I'm not struggling, you know, I'm still enjoying the ride. That is the beauty about e-bikes. I'm getting about 20 miles per charge with this battery. This is a 13.4, so roughly between 20 and 25 miles of range I believe you're gonna get out of this bike. But at the same time, have to consider that I weigh 240 pounds. Plus, I'm riding in a very hilly area. I mean, there's hills everywhere here where I live. If I was lighter and if I was like just riding straight, it wouldn't be that much problem. That's what I feel. We're gonna go downhill right now. I'm gonna test the brakes. I'm gonna get some speed, momentum. About 28 miles per hour, 29 probably. Oh yeah, 32 miles per hour. God damn, listen to the brakes. Look at that. Fast, responsive, powerful. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. 32 miles per hour to like 10 miles per hour in no time. That's amazing. That's amazing. So yeah, if you guys are interested in buying this bike, check out the link in the description of this video. You can buy it directly from Ride One Up, and do recommend it. Portola from Ride One Up. Let's do this.